Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Freesoul Vegan Protein Blend, marketed as a woman-focused protein powder with added nutrients to support energy, digestion, and recovery. We tested it to see if it really stands out from other plant-based protein options. The Freesoul blend uses pea protein, hemp protein, and flaxseed to provide a complete amino acid profile. What makes it different is the inclusion of vitamins, minerals, and adaptogens like maca and ginseng, which claim to support female energy and hormonal balance. When we use it daily, the taste was smooth, not overly gritty, and blended easily into shakes or oatmeal. We felt fuller for longer, which made it great as a snack replacement, and digestion was easier compared to other vegan protein powders that sometimes feel heavy. The pros are that it's plant-based, includes added nutrients beyond protein, is gentle on the stomach, and comes in flavors that don't overwhelm. The cons are that it's pricier than standard vegan protein. The adaptogen effects were mild rather than dramatic. And if you just need plain protein, you could find cheaper options. Overall, the Free Soul Vegan Protein Blend is a premium product designed for women who want more than just protein. It works well for energy and satiety, and while it's not the cheapest, it's a great all-in-one solution. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.